Hi there, my name is Carmel Turner. I'm a speech-language pathologist with a private practice in downtown Toronto. This is Monday Mouthfuls, Building Vocabulary Part 3, Naming and Narration in Action. In the last couple of videos, we talked about the power of two strategies, naming and narration. These techniques support your child's understanding and use of the words they hear and see around them. But what does naming and narration look like in practice? In this video, I show you what one of my narration sounds and looks like. I narrate a cooking task, which is a typical routine in my home. Throughout the narration, watch out for some of the strategies I recommended in my last two videos, like problem solving out loud and pointing out written words. Also note that I don't ask a lot of questions. I'm not looking for responses, but I do leave space for them. Let's get started. John's going to make some dip. So he needs some things to work with, some tools. Looks like he's taking out some different tools. He took out a bowl and some cutlery like fork and spoon. Oh, and that's a big knife. Looks really sharp. I wonder what that is. Some kind of tool too. Now he's going to get some ingredients, it looks like, because he opened the pantry. Got some sesame seeds. He's got soy sauce. They both have S's in them, soy sauce. Got some vinegar. Now he's going to the fridge. I wonder what he's going to find in the fridge. Cold things, I bet. Yeah, you got to keep mayo cold. What else does he have in there in that fridge? Oh, he's got sour cream and ginger. I love ginger. Something from the drawer, sugar. There's another S word. Sugar, but it sounds different. Cayenne. I heard that cayenne can be pretty spicy. Oh, dry mustard. Well, I wonder what that tastes like. Never had that before. It's kind of weird. All right, so he's got his tools and he's got his ingredients, and looks like he's getting some more tools out. Oh, some spoons, but he already had a spoon. I wonder why he's getting more spoons. Okay, he opened up the mayo. Okay, he's taking out some mayo with the spoons. 1 spoon, 2 spoons, 2 spoons. They look like big spoons. I think those are tablespoons of mayo. I wonder what he's going to do with the other spoon. Is he going to use the dirty spoon or nope? He took a clean one. All right. So the clean one is scooping up sour cream. 1, 2, 3 scoops of sour cream. That's it. Tapping the rest into the container. Closing it up. I wonder what other ingredients is. Oh, he's going for some other tools, it looks like. What else? Another spoon? Okay, now he's getting the soy sauce, and he's using the clean spoon. How many spoons? 1, 2 spoons, and he was really careful. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and he's going to use the same spoon. I guess that makes sense. That spoon doesn't look too dirty. Now he's putting sesame oil. How many spoons of sesame oil will he put? Just 1. Yeah, sesame oil is really strong, so you only need a little bit. And now he's going to vinegar. And it looks like he's like reading the instructions off a screen or in a book. Ooh, a big splash of vinegar. A little more than a spoon, but I hope you like things sour because vinegar is pretty sour. Okay, now he's doing the sesame seeds and he's just doing it in his hand. I wonder why he's doing it just in his hand. Oh, he's showing. Oh, it's like a handful. I bet the recipe said a handful of sesame seeds. All right. Okay, looks like he's reading. Got to read the words sometimes. Oh, there's that sugar. Remember the sugar starts with an S, but it has that sh sound there. Okay, put 1 spoon of sugar. And use a clean spoon this time, a really clean spoon. I think that was the first spoon he took out. Okay, I wonder what he's going to do. Oh, here's that dry mustard. I wonder what that tastes like. Oh, it's just putting a little, looks like. Just a couple taps. So not too much. I wonder if we could taste it. I would like to taste the dry mustard next time. Oh, here comes the cayenne. Let's see. Oh, he's putting, oh, that's kind of a lot. Okay, I think, okay, my prediction is that this dip might be a little spicy. Okay, ooh, here comes the ginger. So he's cutting off a piece with the knife. which makes sense. The knife is sharp, so it's good for cutting. Now he's, oh, what's he doing now? He's cutting the outside. Oh, he's cutting the peel away. I guess you don't want to eat that part. So he's cutting that part off. I guess that's why he didn't wash it, because he took off the peel, which would be the dirty part. Oh, now he's using this thing. I wonder what it, oh, what's going to happen? Let's see. Oh, it's making it really tiny. Oh, I think this is a grater. He's grating the ginger. Okay, and scraping out all the little bits. And now he's mixing, using one of the spoons. I don't know which one, but he's using one of the spoons to mix it all up, making the color. Oh, it's coming together. It was lots of different colors, black and white, but now it's kind of an off-white, just one color, one solid color. And he's tasting it. Let's see, does he like it? Oh, I know it's hard to see, but I think he's giving the thumbs up. It's good. So for me, that's a pretty typical unscripted narration. But your narration won't be like mine because your style is so unique. It will also evolve over time, in part because as you name and narrate, you'll probably find yourself noticing more words and using them in new ways. In the following video, I thought it would be fun for us to take a closer look at the words and concepts present during an activity. We'll find all of the vocabulary that we can name. Until next time.